Hello, I'm Mary Kurzweil with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is brought to you by the American Gelbvieh Association. The May retail price data showed a decrease in the all-fresh and choice beef retail prices, which was not in line with the expectations, as strength in the beef cutout and the fed cattle markets was expected to continue to drive retail prices as well. The all-fresh retail beef price came in at $8.41 a pound, which is 9 cents below April's $8.50 level. Choice retail beef came in 2 cents lower than April at $8.81 a pound. This still puts all fresh retail beef prices 5.6% above year-ago levels, and choice up 8.6% from last May. Ground beef retail prices continued to push to new all-time highs, increasing 18 cents to average $5.98 a pound, which is 16.2% above year-ago levels. The decrease to the all-fresh and choice retail beef prices does act as a cautionary signal that overall beef demand may be slowing down, as this does put the beef cutout and the fed cattle as a percent of the all-fresh retail price into a historically stretched position. Still, the strength compared to previous years and continued push in ground beef price shows that the demand for beef is still stout, even as consumers appear to be trading down within the beef complex. Beef prices also had outperformed expectations to start the year, so this might just be a short-term consolidation before prices push again later in the summer, as was seen in 2024. Trade down to competing protein has not been a problem to beef to this point, as beef has pushed while pork and chicken retail prices have been range-bound over the past couple of years. The May price levels showed broiler prices 1% higher and pork prices 2% higher than price levels seen at the beginning of 2023. At the same time, all fresh beef prices have appreciated 17%, and ground beef prices are up 25% in that same time period. This does put beef retail prices expensive relative to chicken and pork historically, but to this point, this has not seemed to be very limiting to beef, as beef demand continues to outperform demand for pork and chicken. Turning to this week's markets, the South has seen moderate fed cattle cash trade at mostly 235 live, while the North has seen light trade volumes at 242 live and 380 dressed, which is steady with last week. The feeder cattle index added more than $10 a hundredweight since last Thursday, pushing to new record levels and moving above $315 a hundredweight. At the same time, both the live cattle and feeder cattle futures strips moved about $3 lower this week, indicating that near term the highs likely have already been seen. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.